My name is Janina Pepino. I am an assistant professor of ingestive behavior in the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition. Our department, as the name says, food science and human nutrition, it is a huge niche to cover. I could talk forever because it goes from food, from sensory, from processes of food, hospitality. It's a huge, huge department. Anything that has to do when you're eating, so what you see in your plate, and everything that came from the seed to the soul of the person, something related with that happens in this department.
The college really helps us to integrate in the system. You have amazing professors that are always here to mentor you, to listen to you, to guide you in what path you want to go.
I'm actually an alum of the program. I took this class that I'm now helping to teach. I think the biggest joy that I get from being in the kitchen is those aha moments. We're able to go into the kitchen, we're able to use those in a real life experience.
I love seeing when people eat my food and their reactions makes me feel good about myself.
All of the activities that they do in class make a direct impact to the Bevere Cafe as a business. So they're running this business.
We're cooking upscale meals, and it's just we have to figure out how to do it. And they're there to help and guide us, but we do the majority of the work, which is what I really like about this class. They don't take control over that. It's just the students.
We're going to teach them how to run a food service operation. The cost controls, inventory controls, how to manage a labor force, those kind of things that they're going to need to have out in the real world as they move on to their careers. But here, everyone is so passionate, they're eager to learn. It makes coming into work a whole lot more enjoyable.
Here you're gonna get very robust skills and very good knowledge to understand further. We'll help you develop your critical thinking. We're gonna show you what are the problems in the world today, how can we help global nutrition.
I came in and was able to jump right into a research project, and it's not just kind of learning about the research process, but it's actually getting in there and being able to do it, which is huge.
I really think that this hands-on experience at the pilot plant is really something you can't learn in a classroom environment. You really need to get out there. A lot of technical skills and little things that you would never learn in a classroom.
We see the process all the way through. We just get bins of tomatoes, and at the end of the day's work, we end up with 150 gallons of pizza sauce that we box up the next day and we ship out to the university dining halls.
Does a lot of sustainable things with the Sustainable Student Farm, like this local produce. And for my future, I want to work more with a company that's more sustainable.
I love the classes here, and I feel like once I go into the real world, I'll definitely be prepared because of everything that I've done here.
Yeah, I'm definitely walking away with valuable experiences that can help me in industry, and these experiences are invaluable.
We're sending students out that are going to change the industry. Good people, grounded, with their heads on straight.
If you've got a passion for food, I think food science and human nutrition is the place for you. I really just love what I do here.